Squares and products with Anurupyena. We know the Yavadunam method that we've seen works for numbers near a power of 10. But what about numbers that aren't near a power of 10? Wouldn't it be nice if we could extend the method? Now that's precisely what the Anurupyena method does. The sutra, or technically an upa-sutra for this, is Anurupyena, which simply means proportionally. It is an upa-sutra in this case, since it extends Yavadunam. To find the square of a number n not near a power of 10, we find the nearest convenient pretend base. We find a power of 10 that our pretend base is a factor or multiple of. We note the ratio. We execute the Yavadunam method as usual, but scale the left half only by the factor. Let's see an example. Find the square of 44. 44 is close to 50, which is not a power of 10, but is half of 100. So we divide the answer into two halves. 50 minus 44 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36 as usual, and that's our right half. 44 minus 6 is 38. Now before merging, we need to multiply 38 by half, because 50 is a half of 100, and our answer is 1936. Find the square of 503. Now we see that 503 is near 500, which is a convenient pretend base for us since it's half of 1,000. Now the right half of the answer will have 3 digits. 3 times 3 is 9. Increase 503 further by 3, 506. Now scale it by half, 253. And our answer is 253009. Now let's find the square of 208. 208 is close to 200, which is 2 times 100. 100 has 2 zeros, and so the right half of the answer has 2 digits. 8 times 8 is 64. And the left half is 208, increased by 8, which is 216. And before you merge, you have to scale it by 2. And our answer is 43,264. A similar idea works for products of numbers as well. Let's try to multiply 42 and 46. Now both are near 50, which is a half of 100. 100 is 2 zeros, so we have 2 digits on the right side of the answer, which is, we know by now, 8 times 4, which is 32. The left side is 42 reduced by 4, or 46 reduced by 8, both of which are 38. And now we scale that by half to get 19. Merging both halves, our answer is 1932. Now let's multiply 504 and 503. . Both are near 500, which is half of 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros, so we have 3 digits on the right side of the answer. 4 times 3 padded to 3 digits is 0, 1, 2. 504 increased by 3 is 507. We scale that by a half, and oops, we have 253.5. But not to worry, we carry the 0.5 down and add it to the next lower digit, which is 0, giving us the answer 253,512. Let's find the product of 34 and 35. Both of which are near 30, which is 3 times 10. 10 has 1 0, so we have only one digit on the right side, which is 4 times 5, and now we have 20 with 2 digits, and therefore we need to carry that to the next higher digit. The left side is 35 plus 4, which is 39, which we scale by 3 to get 117. Now, remembering that we have to carry the 2 to the next higher digit, we merge them to get the answer of 1,190.